2026, manual reconnaissance is slow, inefficient, and a waste of valuable time. So I built and open-sourced my complete bug bounty recon automation pipeline. This pipeline automates the entire reconnaissance process with a single command, saving hours of manual work and terminal fatigue. It starts with subdomain enumeration using powerful tools like Subfinder, Asset Finder, Chaos, and CRT.sh. Then it performs DNS resolution, port scanning, and service fingerprinting using advanced scanning techniques. Next, it probes live HTTP services, detects technologies, and identifies potential attack surfaces automatically. The pipeline also checks for subdomain takeover vulnerabilities, crawls websites, and analyzes JavaScript files for hidden endpoints and sensitive information. It extracts sensitive files, performs parameter discovery, and maps potential XSS injection points. For deeper reconnaissance, it runs heavy asynchronous enumeration using tools like a MAS, One for All, and ASN map in the background. The automation is intelligently divided into fast phases and slow phases. Fast phases complete within minutes, allowing you to immediately start vulnerability hunting. Meanwhile, slow phases continue running silently, expanding your attack surface without interrupting your workflow. This pipeline is fully compatible with Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Parrot OS, and most Debian-based systems. One command, full reconnaissance, maximum efficiency. The repository is now open source. You can access it using the link in the description. Automate your recon, save time, hunt smarter. Want to become my student? Visit my website MasaudSec.com for details.